Pwede nyo ba ako follow sa TikTok ko? Para stable lang ang aking content. Ikan iba pa.
Now I know what's real and what now I know what's real, what's fake. Now I know what's real, what's fake. I feel so funny these days. Now I know what's real, what's fake. I feel so.
Ayan yan aking TikTok guys. Pwede follow ninyo kung pag kayo TikTok kayo nagpapaten kay 97 pa lang. Bye! Bye guys.